Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power, turn the device off, and unplug everything because electricity and metal don't mix. Once done, remove the case and position the device face up under bright light so you can see debris. Make sure to have a magnifier, a soft bristle brush, a wooden or plastic toothpick, compressed air, and at least 90% isopropyl to hand. You're setting the scene to avoid damage. Good prep prevents pokes, bending pins, and liquid residue. You now remove the bulk of the dirt. Start with short, angled bursts of compressed air to blow out loose lint and dust. Holding the can upright prevents moisture. Once loose debris is gone, gently coax any stubborn lint with a wooden or plastic toothpick. Work along the port walls, not into the contacts. Then sweep a soft bristle brush across the opening to lift particles away. These steps protect the connector pins and reduce risk of push-in or bending that causes connection failure. Finish by addressing residue and contact grime. Lightly dampen a swab with 90% plus isopropyl and clean the port perimeter and outer contact areas. You're removing oils and sticky particles. Make sure alcohol fully evaporates. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes before reinserting a cable. Reassemble and power the device and then test charging. If it still fails, try a different cable and charger. Inspect for bent pins or debris you missed. And if needed, seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.